Hey, I'm Jeff Kinard. I'm the Executive Vice President for Corporate Development at Prometheus Group. Been with the company about 12 years, since 2009, and have had a lot of good fun. It's been great, and super happy to be part of Maximoworld this year. Maximo, super important to us as an organization. We won the award this year along with University of Delaware. It's all about partnerships with our customers, right? Our software is very focused on blue-collar, day-to-day, process-driven work. And the only way that that's going to be successful, the only way we can win an award like this is with having an amazing customer that's doing an amazing job with the culture, implementing the solution with the people. So we make Maximo easier to use, and we can really improve the experience, but it's only going to go as far as the champions with our customers. So super exciting to do that, and we were glad to be a part of that win with them. They had a goal, they wanted all of their maintenance to be handled inside of Maximo. Before they're taking the data out, they're doing things in spreadsheets. It wasn't very effective, wasn't efficient. As they've been growing, more and more facilities to manage, they knew that they wanted to keep everything in the system. But I think the great thing about them is, hey, they knew they didn't have a choice. This is exactly what they're going to be pushing. They knew they had to have the right solution that was going to enable them to do this, but it needed to be easy to use. The users needed to be able to adopt this. And so they were all in, and that's really what makes it successful. So I knew that going in, meeting with Michael and the gang there, that this project was going to be a success. We put them in with our Maximo experts. They worked together on a game plan, and they were able to get it done quick. So it was really impressive to see it done, and the change management that they executed on site was second to none, and that's an award-winning program for sure. Man, in our industry, it's all about the people. It's all about the people, the folks that we see at a conference like this, especially at a Maximoworld. There are people. They want to look you in the eye. They want to spend that time with you face to face. You've got to build that trust. We've really been relishing the opportunity to get back on site, and folks are a little nervous, kind of a little tentative. Hey, I don't know what this is going to be like. It's been 18 months or however long. But everyone's been super respectful. Everyone's been super excited. I think everyone's just ready to be back together. And no, it's been great. This is definitely our first venture back out in the wild at a conference, and I've been really impressed with it. The big thing that we're seeing right now in the marketplace, and we're seeing it a lot on the Maximo side, a lot of folks talking about digital transformation. And kind of like I said earlier, digital transformation for us starts with the people. It starts with the boots on the ground. So you can implement the most complex systems, you can be pulling data in from the equipment, you can do all that, but without that blue-collar process, without the consistency of following it, you're not going to get out of it what you need. So I think that's the big part for us, is to have a platform that is affecting the maintenance side, the operations side, improving the visibility of what's happening, improving the communication, and really trying to kind of reduce the silos, right? Let's connect those guys. Let's reduce that gap, and let's work together. Let's cut that tension. And it's been really, really great, and I think that folks are really excited about it. And Maximoworld has been a great output for us to get together with folks again, talk through it, and see how we can help with their digital transformation journey.